Okay. I'm wondering what has happened. Please, I'm very sorry. So, are we all back?
Hello, bro.
Yes, sir. Okay. 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 Thank you for staying tuned. So, we're discussing on how we can, as it is now, we've written some instructions. So let's even try and see how our Jupyter notebook looks like in the real sense. So, probably you can help us open the Jupyter notebook with your notepad. Your notepad.
Yes,
So, if you opened it,
sir.
can you share with us how it looks so that we will see how ugly the Jupyter notebook look in the real sense? Okay, so as we can see now, you can see what we wrote. The Jupyter notebook is just looking uh, so ugly, so ugly. Nothing tangible to hold about it. I hold from it. So it's just set of, and this is just is in JSON file format. This is a file format, a data type, data format now. It's in JSON data format. So now let's make it tangible. So let's go back to our Jupyter notebook and see how we can export the short code we've written, which is not doing anything for now. Or at least let's have it in the standard format, which is PY. So you can take us back to the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so now this is how we export it. So you go to File, then we'll see Download As. Hello, brother, are you there? Okay, File. Then now we can see Download As. So when you go to Download As, so there are different ways you can export your code. You can export it as an HTML.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay,
Can you see the screen?
okay, I can see it. You can export it as an HTML. Oh.
You have to go and come back.
Very sorry, I don't know what's wrong with the network. So so we can download as, there are different file formats we can download it as. So we can download it as an HTML, but you know, when we download it as an HTML, we won't be able to maybe use the code or do anything. Just look like a web page. So, but what we want to do is we want to download as .py. So you can download as .py. So if you've set whatever location you set your download stuff
Folder.
to, that's where it's going to be downloaded to. So well, we can as well from the when it downloads, you can click on, there's a just keep, yes, you can click on this upper icon here, then you can see show in folder. So when it opens the folder, you can then now copy the particular .py and now move it um, to our data science folder. So I want Robolu to help us quickly do that. So help us
Okay,
move.
I've done it.
Okay, we've done it. So can you help us open the .py file and let's see how it looks.
Using a Python ID or still Anaconda.
You can use any IDE, which anyone that's easy. It's taking time to load up the ID, right? Okay. Okay. So
Actually,
he used an ID, another ID to open it. So as we can see now, it's looking